Fuzzy Wuzzy was a bear, Fuzzy Wuzzy had no hair, Fuzzy Wuzzy wasn't very fuzzy, was he? Fuzzy Wuzzy was a bear, Fuzzy Wuzzy had no hair, Fuzzy Wuzzy wasn't very fuzzy, was he?
You are outside?
Yes, I'm outside.
Wow. In which class do you study?
I'm studying third standard. What is
Of course. I am Satya Yadav from Aurangabad, Bihar, and I am an English teacher. I love watching movies and also love to talk with different type of people just like you. And you are looking very, you can say beautiful, and you are very talented girl. Keep.
Uh, I'm
Yeah. Where are you now?
I'm now I'm now sitting on the bike.
Bike. Wow, good. Do you like bike riding? Do
Yes,
you
I'm
have any idea? Oh, your hobby is also cycling, na?
what?
Your hobby is also cycling.
Yes, I also like to ride cycle.
Hmm. You have cycle. You have your own cycle.
Yes, I have my own cycle.
Hmm. Oh, very good. From where are you? I couldn't recall it.
What?
Where do you live?
I am from Maharashtra district Pune.
Wow, good. Maharashtra is the very cleanest city, na?
Yes, I'm living in Pune city.
Hmm. I visited in Pune and Maharashtra.
Oh, okay. Do you want to
Yeah.
see the background?
Yeah. Of course. Wow, good. I I had visited Maharashtra. Maharashtra is the very clean city.
Yes.
Hmm.
Okay. So
Do you like? I'm
where are you from?
I'm from Patna.
Patna. Okay.
Hmm.
It's a
Did
Bihar
you visit in
capital.
Patna? In Bihar, yeah.
Yeah.
Hmm.
So can you tell me about your English journey?
Yeah, of course. Um, I came in Hindi background. So in initial phase, when I was just like you kid, I didn't speak English. But when I passed inter, I started learning this language. And after 5 to 6 months, I have a good command over on this language. And right now, I'm talking with you.
Wow, great. And can you tell me about your daily routine?
Yeah, of course. Uh, as I told you, I'm an English teacher. I taught in my cooking. So I should wake up at 5 o'clock. After that, I went to my coaching and I take classes 5 to 6 hours. When I returned, I took rest and in the evening, I also took the classes.
Wow, amazing. So can you tell me
Mm.
about your childhood?
About
Your childhood?
childhood.
Yes.
Oh, in childhood, I was very nutty and I used to do many type of you can say mischiefs and I was very jolly person. I mother every day and when I grew up, I you can say I was live doing mischieving with my parents with everyone and I became good just like you.
Okay, great. So which is your favorite color?
My favorite color black. Yours?
My
Your
favorite color. My favorite colors are pink and blue.
wow. I think you are also looking very pretty in red color. And you can say the t-shirt you have worn it, you are looking also very good.
Thank you.
Yeah. So what do you want to become in future?
There are three wishes of mine. First one, I want to become an English trainer. Second one, I want to be a Rubik's player. Third one, I want
Mm.
to be a story writer.
Wow, best of luck. I think you will become English trainer because now you are speaking very fluent English with me. So after 5 years, after 10 years, you will be a very fluent speaker of English, and just like trainer you are want to become, you will be.
Youngsters means like that. Rhyming words. Can I tell you?
Yeah, yeah, of course.
First one is cheats. Second one is fuzzy was a bear, fuzzy had no hair, fuzzy wasn't very fuzzy was he, fuzzy was a bear, fuzzy had no hair, fuzzy wasn't very fuzzy was he. Third one is Betty Potter bought some butter, Betty Potter bought some butter, Betty Potter bought some butter.
Mm.
Fourth one is Sally sells seashells by the seashore. Sally sells seashells by the seashore. Fifth one is 44 find fresh fish for you. 44 find fresh fish for you.
Wow, good.
Yeah,
I don't know. I don't know.
you can practice.
Yeah, of course. I'll do practice.
What's your channel's name?
My channel name, Satya Sir English, where I upload grammar topic of English.
Okay,
Mm.
nice.
You also run the channel?
Yes, I also run the channel. My channel name is English with Alishka.
Wow, of course. I'll subscribe your channel and I will also forward your channel to many people. Okay?
Okay,
Yeah, good. You are very talented girl and you will be famous on YouTube as I think very soon. Okay?
thank you.
Yeah. So today
Okay,
we'll we will hang up the call.
yes, we will wrap up the session. Have a great day, sir. Bye. Catch you
Thank
later.
you. Best of luck.
Thanks.
Okay.